Yay!
We're back. We're on my phone.
Yes.
Ray's phone, my car.
Bless me.
Bless you. Bless you.
She said bless me.
We have Michaela signed up for a Vic card. She can get the discount.
Yeah.
Period. VIC.
And apparently college students get a 10% discount, which we did not know.
Yeah, until I pointed it out. I was like,
So we have to do that.
actually Braylon pointed it out, and then I just saw that you could get that.
Yeah, so we're a little pressed about that.
Yeah, but
It's alright, whatever. Whatever. It ends in October, I think they said, so we still have a little bit.
Yeah, we're good. We're sure good.
We're Gucci.
Does anyone
we're definitely
else?
gonna use that.
Oh yeah. Does anyone else have like really painful joints? Like out
Yes.
of nowhere?
Yeah.
Yes, I always have painful joints.
My knee was hurting. Just walking.
No, for real.
Yeah.
And it's not even my bad knee.
Girl, that's a daily. Daily.
I don't know. Do I need to cap this?
What do I have to say to Jenna for her to let me sit out on practice tomorrow?
Don't do that.
It's called the store.
Everything. No, like my knee. Like anytime I move it, like excruciating pain. I promise you.
I got work today, you guys, at Dunkin'.
No.
I ain't gonna come tell y'all what Dunkin'.
Anyway, we will.
I guess if...
Are you excited to work, Michaela? Don't you work at 2?
Yes.
2 to 7.
2 to 7.
You guys close at 7?
7:30.
Yeah, they close at 7.
That's crazy. Me and Ray had to work until midnight some nights.
Literally, midnight. I was asleep. I don't know how I didn't crash driving home.
Oh, literally, it was so bad.
I did Chick-fil-A. PTSD. Don't work at Chick-fil-A.
I liked it.
I didn't.
I liked it, actually.
I then worked at a nursing home and I loved it. I love my oldies.
I love my oldies.
They're my favorite. Oh, I was just looking for my phone. I was like, where is it at? Right there. Gotcha. Got him. Bro, when Landon said got him yesterday, I cracked up. I was like, he did not just say that.
What did he do? He like stole the ball from someone.
Oh, he stole it and said, got him.
Oh my god.
That was funny.
That was too funny.
It's the buddy. And so if you hear us mention buddy, it's because it's... We don't know what it is, but...
Michaela.
I was a friend to Trinity.
It's Trinity.
It is green. It's green. It's green.
I'm going.
I cannot. A friend of Trinity. Ah!
A friend.
I wish y'all knew what we were talking about because it cracks me up.
Now I'm gonna have to block from
No, bro.
Channel.
Don't block him.
From what?
the channel.
What?
Like from YouTube. I don't even know it's YouTube.
Oh my god.
And I either have to cut this out or bleep everything.
No.
Why?
Cause I don't want my personal business.
Bro, he's not gonna see it. And even if he does, who cares? He's not in your life. Is the abusive ex-boyfriend.
Ah! I gotta cut it out.
No.
No, why would you?
Why do you need to cut that out? No. We're not cutting that out.
Girl, anybody could
Don't
watch
make me edit this
What if
thing.
I'm on an interview and they're like, bring this up?
Who cares?
They're like, oh hey, how's Buddy and the abusive ex-boyfriend?
No, more publicity.
More
Look,
publicity.
he's running in the rain.
I'm proud of him.
I would never.
What do you do? I will sure not be running. Actually, I will be running to work.
Girl, I can take you to work. Did Cassie and them go to the baseball game?
I have no clue, but I'm pretty sure she was still wearing my crop top with a baseball shirt over top of it.
I think so. I don't even remember.
And I was like, did I say you could wear that today?
Ah!
No. I gave it to you yesterday.
Oh my god.
There's aspects of you
Just go
can
ask her.
do
Just be like, hey, can I get that back? I want to wear it. Or I want to wash it. I'm doing laundry or something.
Yeah, but I just put my stuff in the wash.
Well, then put it, and then, and I don't
I
know.
just asked for it later.
I think even then, it's raining. I'm sure
It had to be canceled.
I don't know.
Because baseball players Brothers are pussies when it comes to the rain. They don't
Mm.
play. They're like, it's raining, we can't play. Like, bro,
I'd
grow
rather
a
play in the
pair.
rain.
I
Grow
played in
a
the rain.
pair.
I played in a blizzard. A blizzard I played in.
A blizzard.
Multiple times.
She played in it.
Like, I about freaking got hypothermia out there.
Oh my goodness.
So one thing I hated about softball. Froze my ass off. Froze it off.
Girl, I can imagine. And the heat in the pants.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yep.
And the tans.
Yep. Farmer tan. 24/7. Loved the sport. Hated the environment.
That's why I play an indoor sport. No, but we're gonna have to do that at beach.
Outdoor, I know. I'm not looking forward.
There's already sand in my car. We're not even in season yet, and there's
They're
sand
gonna have
all
to get a mini
throughout my car.
vacuum, seat covers.
Girl, that's gonna be such a pain.
Gonna be like
Yeah, but we
Medea
have
with the-
Bruce that can eat it up.
Bruce.
Bruce is our vacuum.
Nom 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 nom.
Num num. And he can park himself by himself. Like he can go back to his dock. By
Yeah,
himself.
no. Like when he's done charging, he'll be like, "What does he say?" He said something.
Or something like
It'll
that.
be like, yeah, it's something like that. It makes like a weird noise, and then it'll just stop what it's doing and like beeline it right back to the charger and sit on the charger.
Yes. Today it let me know that I needed to change its filter thing because it was like, and I was like, oh, it needs change. So I took the stuff out of the vacuum, and it
No
worked better.
way. We literally have a toddler.
Literally.
I love Bruce.
Bruce is our favorite.
Yeah, they didn't go. Wait, where's Cassie's car?
I
Right
guess
there.
They didn't go.
It's right there. We have arrived back to the apartments.
Yes. We will not give you the exact location because we do not want you to know there.
Period.
You know.
Michaela really doesn't want y'all to know
No,
what
she
we
doesn't
do,
know
where we're
where
I,
we're
at.
I
at,
don't want
what
no
we're doing.
stalker just like
She
Trinity.
said you're not allowed to come to the games.
Look, Trinity used to have a stalker, and first of all,
That's a story for another time.
Is today just exposed Trinity Day?
It is
yes, girl.
exposed.
Because
All
you
right.
exposed me on the
Thank
second
you
last
for
week.
watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.
Oh my god!